Mista, I'm Adrienne. Today's Quick Bytes video is on MongoDB's Aggregation Pipeline. Let's go! The Aggregation Pipeline is a system of composable operations you can use to process your data. These composable operations, called stages, are arranged in a sequence you create. Documents go through these stages, resulting in a transformed dataset. This makes it easy for you to compose powerful data pipelines that can search, aggregate, and process complex datasets at scale. And since you can run these aggregation pipeline queries against MongoDB directly, you don't have to move data out into a separate analytics system. Pretty convenient. You can think of an aggregation pipeline as a production line, and each stage as an operation within that line. Just as there are all kinds of operations and sub-assemblies that occur when producing something, there are also many ways to transform your documents through stages. A stage can mutate a document, either to prepare it for the next stage or to produce its final output. It can also generate a new document or even filter one out altogether. How these stages are applied to your documents are decided by you and the conditions you specify for each stage. After passing through all the stages, you're left with your final set of documents. Let's see this in action. Say I'm running a donut business on the side, and who says that I'm not? I want to analyze how much I made this week by seeing how much each customer spent. To do this, I can run an aggregation like this. Let's go line by line. Here, I start an aggregation on my donut orders collection. Since I only care about paid orders, I can use $match as my first stage to narrow the large donut orders collection down. I do this by filtering documents on the status field. Only those documents with a status of paid pass through the stage and move on to the next one. Next, I want to group the paid orders by each unique customer and see how much they've spent on my donuts. I can do this by using $group, another built-in stage, as my second stage. The $group stage needs something to group by and can optionally calculate something else. So I group by the field called customer ID and determine how much each customer spent on my donuts using $sum, an accumulator operator. We'll have another video about what those are soon. After the second stage, my aggregation is complete. Here are all my paid donut orders, broken down by customer and total money spent. Because of its composable nature and the variety of predefined stages already available, the aggregation pipeline can be an extremely powerful tool for your data processing needs. So, if I wanted to expand on this aggregation and find my top customers, I just need to add another stage. This last $match stage would filter my resulting documents even further, returning only the customers that spent more than $50 on donuts. Loyal sweet tooths, indeed. And those are the Quick Bytes on MongoDB's aggregation pipeline. If you're hungry for more Quick Bytes videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Or let me know what MongoDB topic you'd like to see next in a comment below. And if you want to get started with your own aggregations, sign up for a free Atlas cluster today. All the good stuff will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.